Making gyoza is easy and fun things to get the kids involved. We will also cover how to make the little gyoza dumplings and cooking them. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me.
Can I do it, Mommy?
Okay, you put salt in the flour for mommy. Put it around, sprinkle around, yes. So mix salt well with the flours and then add warm water or hot water. Should not use cold water because the wrapper won't be soft.
Pour it in then.
Okay, calm down.
Ooh, that looks...
Make sure the flour absorbs all the water.
Mommy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then knead it by your hand until the flour
Can I squish it and squish it?
together with one dough.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Is it hot?
Not. So once the flour stick to each other like this, then we move and knead it on worktop. You're looking for the dough get smooth. Put it into a bowl like this. Then we will put the plastic wrap on and then we rest the dough for about 50 minutes. Is already passed, so do the gyoza wrappers. Use your thumb to make a hole in the middle and then pull the dough to make a dough ring. Make a big ring. Then divide in half. So I will work on one dough first. Cover this one with damp muslin to stop it dry. And this one, roll it out to make the roll longer. Once you got the right length, then cut the roll out into small chunks. And then dusting with the flour and flatten the dough with your palm.
Actually, not flatten. We're gonna flat it. It looks funny.
Yeah. Then roll the dough out. Roll out the dough, make it thinner.
Mommy, maybe we should call it. We are gonna roll the dough.
So this one's done. Let's do gyoza filling. Katie wants to tell you the ingredients, which are
Pork neck, Chinese cabbage, spring onion,
good,
ginger, garlic, shoyu, oyster sauce, tapioca, sesame oil, white pepper, brown sugar.
Let's chop all the vegetable first before we do the pork. I chop the bottom off. Then chop Chinese cabbage. Chop it into small pieces. Then we add some salt to make the cabbage release water out. Then grate ginger. Then chop the pork. You need to cut the pork into small pieces first. Then mince the pork up. This is what we looking for after we mince the pork. Then we will marinate the filling. Shoyu, oyster sauce, tapioca, pepper, brown sugar, sesame oil. Mix them up. Rinse water out from Chinese cabbage. Chop spring onion. It's ready to fill in gyoza wrappers. Before you use the wrapper, brush off excess flour. And this one, Katie will put it in a little gyoza thing.
Baba?
Yes. Then put the
Hey, you got
filling.
tricked, Mommy. You got tricked. You got tricked. Mommy got tricked.
Not too much. Is that too much?
Oh, it's not too much. Not too much. Not too much. Not too much.
Can you fold it up?
Smush.
Hey, 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 hey.
Smush.
Then open it up.
Open it. I don't want to break it. Here you go.
Now we're gonna fry the gyoza. Put some oil. So put the gyoza in. So let me check the bottom. Not ready yet. Okay, the bottom is already ready. Now let's add, I use cornstarch mixed with water to make the gyoza crispy. And then sesame oil to get nice smell. Then put the lid on and let it steam for 7 minutes. Look at that, guys! Crispy! These are done, but some people they like to fry on the side too, so I will do that way as well.